Is running now?
Yes.
And you can zoom in and out also.
Yes, I know.
Sound is on? I hope so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. My name is Sylvie and I'm coming from the University of Birmingham in England. I'm going to tell you today how numbers can talk to us and actually help us make decisions in the context of learning. So let's say that I'm a good computer scientist and I have a wonderful idea of a software that will work wonders in classrooms. And I'm sure it's going to help teachers, but I need actually to prove to the teachers that it's going to be working. So I'm going to go into a classroom with a good teacher who agrees to help me, and I'm going to ask them for a test of the students on how good they are doing mathematics. The test is going to look a little bit like that. You're going to have a few students that are having a lot of difficulties, and then you're going to have the majority of the students over here who are doing quite well, and the curve is going to go down again on the number of students who are doing extremely well, who really know the concept. I'm going to split that amount of students into two groups. One group, we call it the control group, is going to learn during the week exactly the way that they were doing it before with the teacher. And the second group of students, we call it the experimental group, will actually be using the software in addition to what the teacher is teaching. They're going to do that for a week, and then they're going to have a test again on how good they have learned during that week. What we are interested in is to see if they have learned better with one group, with the teacher, or with actually using the software. So we're going to put an average of how good they were doing on the test according to their level of ability, and we're going to see if there's a big difference from the control group to the experimental group. So if there's a big difference, you can see that you have the average, which is very different. So you're going to have a little star there, which shows that the statistical test we did, which is called a t-test, showed a statistical difference in the results. Here you can see that it doesn't work for all of the people. For the people who had very high grades first, they're going to do about the same in one group and the other. So for those people, you will not be able to say that one method is better than the other. And in this context, well, it looks like the computer science, the people who use the computer were better than the others, but it could go the other way. So that's how you use statistical methods to make decisions about what methods to use. Thank you.